For context, it says you now need to start adding products. Before you do that, you need to consider the structure of your product data. A product will need a unique identifier to distinguish it from other products, a price so people know how much it costs, and a name so people know what they are buying. You should also add a category to each product. Add an object to your products array and give this object an ID property set number 1, a name property, and a price property set to the number 12.99, and a category property set to the string cupcake. Okay, so it says, wait, where is it? Oh, there it is. It says add an object to your products array. We know that array is achieved with the symbol square brackets, and we know that object is achieved with curly braces, and within that is where we input the properties and their values. The first one would be the ID, and we have a colon, and then set it and assign it to the volume number 1, and comma. The second property would be the name, set it to colon, and then the string vanilla cupcakes, parentheses, and then 6-pack. Oh, it would be uppercase P, and then a comma because we have another property which would be the price, and then a colon in order for us to assign the value of the property, which would be 12.99. The last one would be the category property, colon here, and then the string cupcake. No more colons, no more commas. So as you can see, we have 4 properties: ID, name, price, and category. They don't have any quotation, either be it a single or a double quotation. And we have here a colon in order to assign the value of those properties, and only the strings has their own quotation, and the numbers or digits has no quotations. So that would be it. Nice.